Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to know the reasons why to add honey in your diet. Sweet honey is loaded with properties beneficial for your health in various ways. So here are some impressive health benefits of honey you should not miss at all the day. Many people love the sweet taste of honey and it is used in preparation of several Indian dishes, and honey is also used as a natural remedy for several health issues since ages. It is a plant-based compound that can offer you multiple health benefits, and it is often advised to replace sugar with honey as it is a healthier option. We can easily find the raw honey, and the honey can be added to your diet in different ways. It is also often used on skin and hair because of the amazing benefits it offers. Here are some impressive reasons why you should add honey to your diet. Antifungal and antibacterial properties of honey make it an excellent remedy for several health issues. Raw honey offers these properties effectively. This is good for digestion. Honey contains soothing properties that can help to prevent acid reflux. It reduces the upward flow of stomach acid, preventing acid reflux. It contains healing properties, and studies have proved this that use of honey can help in healing. It reduces healing time and infections. It also helps to fight skin issues like skin irritation, infections, as it is loaded with antifungal and antibacterial properties. Honey is totally loaded with antioxidants, and these antioxidants protect your body from the damage caused by free radicals. Raw honey is loaded with antioxidants which leave an anti aging effect on the body, contributing to a controlled risk of heart diseases. And you should not consume honey in large quantities, and it can also be added to foods or drinks like tea or warm milk. Do not give honey to infants, especially those less than 1 year. These are the few reasons why you need to add honey to your diet. Thanks for watching our video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel.